Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're well. First of all, I just want to thank everyone for your lovely comments. I've read some of them. I haven't answered them yet, but I really enjoyed hearing what you do when you lose your mojo and that sort of thing. I've been working all day. I've started working on this Christmas kit. I've never made a Christmas kit before. I do have an ephemera kit one that was it's probably one of my earlier kits I ever did, and it's a lot of my own scanned ephemera that I have that I put in. I was for like a year ago or more. So there is a kit one, but I'd never designed any journal pages or anything like that. So let's go through it. There's 3 kits, so I'll take these out of the way. So the first one is the journal pages, and there are 8 pages. I've done a printout from, this is from the JPEG on regular pages, and then this is from the PDF here on higher quality paper. I personally like the printouts more from the JPEGs, but I know some people like to print from the PDFs. So I'll just show you the pages. Now these pages have a mix of my own ephemera and doilies and laces and things, and then also some in the public domain, like from the Graphics Fairy and that sort of thing. So probably similar to my regular style, but a lot of my other kits will work into it, like the letter kit, the antique book pages, maybe even some of the botanical. The last botanical had 2 collage pages. One was had quite a bit of red and green, and that would work in well with this as well. These are all my own antique laces, and these are all ones I bought in Florence. So yeah, I had really a lot of fun. I did start this in, there's that beautiful lace behind there. I did start it in August, and then things, went away a few times, as you know, and this is a collage page. Love that. Yeah, things got in the way, so I didn't get it finished. So I just sat down and did it. I have to, I think part of my no mojo is because, and then this is a good one for writing, is I've got too many things going on and that are incomplete. And then that's the ones printed from the PDF. So they came out a bit paler than, maybe also because I had the PDF open. Sometimes if you right click on the PDF and then select print without opening it, it prints better. I might have had it on, actually, you know what, I might have had it on the setting draft. That's probably why as well, because normally it prints out quite bright. Then I have this fussy cutting kit. This is a kit one because I don't have a Christmas fussy cutting kit. Now, what I did was, some of these are quite, busy things to cut out. So what I did was I put a little, I don't know if you can see there's a little border around it. So you won't have any white bits. Like, you can cut around the green and it's fairly smooth. It's not all like going in those deep edges like that. So, and if you don't cut there, it's okay because it's got the pretty paper behind and you can only just see it. So I did that on all the fussy cutting, which is why it took me for such a long time to do. Because, I had to put it and then cut it all out, and yeah, it took a really long time. And a lot of these things I created, the PNGs to do this. These are like from the New York Public Library. They were in like Christmas flowers that were going to be made into cards or something. So I fussy cut those out, and then these here, but some of them are, so some of these things are my own things as well. So yeah, it's a bit of a mix, but there's 4 pages. There'll be 4 pages here. So this one has, what did I put behind? Oh, that's it. I have this old piece of paper and it's a greeny color. So that's what's behind those. And then this is one of my antique letters on the blue paper. I like that. This girl is in it twice. Oh, that's the same one, but she's in it twice, but she's 2 different sizes, slightly bigger and slightly smaller, and on a different background there. So that's 4 pages. That again that's printed from the PDF, and then this is printed from the JPEGs. I printed that one twice because I couldn't find it. And there's that one and that one. And then the last kit is more of an ephemera kit, and it's a mix between my own things that I have, like this postcard and this and this, things that I've mucked around with, and things that are from the New York Public Library that I've fixed up, and some things from the Graphics Fairy. Oh, I was going to bring those in and show you. I'm super excited about these. I found these at the antique market. These are mine. That's mine. That's mine. And that's mine. Oh, I have a lot of things. And the background there is mine as well. These are little, Steffi and I call them Santini. They're little saints. And they were for, people just have them. They're all different saints. But I just love them. And I tried to choose the ones that weren't overly religious, that were quite pretty but not overly religious, because not everybody has saints. And that's an antique postcard I have from around 1900. Yeah, so I'm very excited. And these are mine. That's mine. That's another one of those. And so these flowers are stuck over the top, and underneath I can see there are 3 hearts with images on, but I didn't want to peel it off. I also own that. So the only thing that's not mine is this here. That's a beautiful paper that I made green, and I have those. This is a collage I did. This is an antique book. This is one of my postcards, and I fussy cut that out. And then these are some more of them. Aren't they beautiful? These lacy bits of paper. I just love them. I bought them at great expense, but I just love them. This is also mine, but I put the reindeer, the sleigh and the reindeers in the background. And again, this has music paper behind it, so that you don't have to go in and cut out all of those leaves if you don't want to. And then that's printed there also from the JPEGs. So the JPEGs are slightly stronger colours, slightly more definition. I like the JPEGs. As Tracy Fox always says, you get a slightly higher definition if you print from your JPEGs. It's just the nature of the PDF and the JPEGs. So we'll have fun playing with those. Don't know when, but I look forward to playing with those. So I hope you like them. I had a lot of fun putting them together, and I'll probably do some more. I've just got to find the time. So there you go. So I hope you're having a lovely weekend, and I will see you again soon. Bye.